Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add friends on Royal Match. To add friends on Royal Match, first of all, open up the Royal Match application on your mobile device. Once you do that, from the home page, tap on the leaderboard icon at the bottom. Now from the leaderboard menu, make sure that you've selected friends and then click on Add Friends button. Inside the Add Friends tab, you can then go ahead and enter a friend's ID in the search box and search. In the search result, look for the friend and then tap on the Add button right next to their name. Once they accept your request, they'll then be added as your friend in Royal Match. You can also connect your Facebook account with Royal Match and sync in your Facebook friends to play Royal Match on your account. And that's how you can easily add your friends on Royal Match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.